morning, Broom Math. It is our second day of virtual math, and today we're going to do lesson 710. To start us off, you'll notice that I am in ConnectEd, and I'm using my e-toolkit. You are welcome to take a minute to pause this video and also connect to ConnectEd if you would like and find your e-toolkit. You also do not need to, but what you do need is you definitely need a piece of paper and a pencil. So go ahead, pause the video, and grab that. Great. So I'm going to pose a few questions using our fraction circles. Notice that I have my fraction circles ready to go at the bottom. So I'm going to pull out my eighths, which are not that color. I'm sorry. I want my eighths, which are this color. I'm going to move them up. I also want sixths, which look like that. And I also want my whole, which is red. So my question is this. Lucas eats 5/6 of a round quesadilla, and Mara eats 7/8 of a round quesadilla. That is the same size to start with. Who has the larger leftover piece of quesadilla? Go ahead and write who you think. Lucas, who eats 5/6, or Mara, who eats 7/8. Who has a larger piece left over? Okay, let's figure it out. So Lucas divides his quesadilla, which starts as this size, the red, into 6 equal pieces. I'm going to break this up. 6 equal pieces. He eats 5 of the 6, and so he has that piece left over. Mora, on the other hand, breaks her quesadilla into 8 equal pieces, and she eats 7/8 of hers. So she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and she has 1 piece left over. So they both have 1 piece left over, but who has the bigger piece? The answer is Lucas. Lucas has his 1/6 left over, as opposed to Mora's 1/8. So I can go ahead and write a number sentence to go with this problem. I could say that 1/6 is bigger than 1/8. Remember, the alligator eats the 1/6. Great. I can also write another number sentence here. I can write 5/6, the amount that Lucas eats, is less than the amount that Mora eats. 7/8. Great. Today, we're going to be using pictures like this with either fraction circles, fraction strips, or your number line to show why a fraction is bigger than another fraction. So stay tuned.